I feel like I have not filmed a YouTube video in literally ages. So hi guys, if you're new here, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mar and today's video is going to be all about hair. I know I look different. You guys are probably like, what happened to your insanely long hair? I hate to break to you, but that was hair extensions. My really good friend Kate did my hair extensions previously and I love her to death. But I was like, listen, I need to have my short hair right now because I'm in the mood to be natural. I want my curls to pop. I want my natural hair to thrive. And I want to like embrace my natural curls. And it's something that I haven't done in a really long time. I've been wearing my hair straight for the past 2 years consecutively. Like I don't even remember seeing my natural hair texture before I took out my hair extensions. So this is gonna be all about hair, and today's video we're gonna refresh my curls. I'm not gonna wash it completely just because I'm literally filming at 9 p.m. right now on a Friday. I don't have any plans for going out, but at the same time it's like I don't want to like wash my hair right now because let's be real, I'm probably gonna pass out in like a few hours. Step one is going to be refreshing the curls with water. I have to spray a lot of water all over my hair in order to have product in it, because like even though my hair does not really have like the coarsest texture ever, it's kind of coarse and it needs the water to absorb any product at all. I actually got some new products that I wanted to experiment with, and they're specifically for curly hair, so I'm excited to try that because I haven't like bought any curly hair products in a while because I've been wearing my hair straight. By the way, my cutie dog is sitting over here next to me and he's really big because he's a bull mastiff, and every time I film in the bedroom and he's next to me, he just like stays here because he thinks that he's stuck in the bedroom and he's unable to leave, even though he has all the freedom in the world to actually leave and go wherever the fuck he wants. But he chooses to stay here because he's a little scaredy boy. Sorry, I had to film this because he literally came closer to me and he wanted to be in the frame. Hi Dizzy, say hi to everyone on my channel. Dizzy has his own TikTok channel. He's a TikTok star. So we're gonna be filming this video with Desi breathing in my ear, so that's fun. But the first product I wanted to try to refresh my curl, Marc Anthony just sent me their new Strictly Curls line. And this is a 5-in-1 hair refresher and it's suitable for hair and scalp. So like this is not supposed to make your hair or scalp like feel oily at all. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, Desi is actually gone now. I had to bribe him with so many treats to actually go to his own bed because he was breathing in my ear. It was not fun. So yeah, we're gonna try the 5-in-1 curl refresher. It's like a spray and I love the fact that you can actually like spray it on your scalp as well. Okay, the smell. This smells like lemons. It smells like lemonade, like sweet. Like it smells like sweeter lemons. I like it. Some people might find it strong, but if you like citrusy smells, I feel like this could definitely be for you. I don't know if I'm like supposed to like drench my hair with it, but let's give it a go. I also like just did my makeup because I was filming a bunch of TikToks and I don't want to mess up my face. And from the same line by Marc Anthony, I have with me the Define and Hold gel. So this is a flexible gel that lasting definition and frizz control without crunch. I don't know why I said that, but it's basically a gel that's not supposed to make your hair like super crusty. So let's do bits of this. How do I open it? Okay, we gotta do this. Why is it not opening? There we go. Nope, it's still not open. I hate these type of bottles when they're closed because like I could never know like what way you open it to. There we go, I finally got it open. Ooh, it's like a clear gel. It seems like super like soft. Like I feel like this is not gonna make my hair like very crusty, which is nice. So I'm just gonna like scrunch it in my hair. By the way, this is just like a curl refresher for me. Like this is not how I usually style my hair. I feel like the curl police are gonna come at me in this video because everything I did right now was not very curly girl method approved. But I'm just trying to make the most out of my day 3 curls without having to wash my hair. I quickly just diffused my hair on medium heat, so it's giving that little crusty crunch from using the gel, even though the gel did say it's not a crusty gel, but I feel like all gels are crusty gels. So to scrunch out the cast that was formed by the gel, I like to alternate between 2 oils, and those oils that I use are not from the Marc Anthony line, so they're not part of anything they sent me. They're oils that I've been using for a while. Even when I had straighter hair, they're just really nice oils that I love using. The first one is obviously the Olaplex oil. This is a pricier hair oil, but you don't need a lot of it. It's like a little bit goes a long way, and I love using this on days where I've like refreshed my curls and not when I washed it like freshly, if you know what I mean. And the second oil that I love using, especially on days where I washed my hair freshly, is this oil from Kerastase. I absolutely love this oil so much, and I used to use it when I had really long hair extensions as well. It's like suitable for both curly and straight hair in my opinion, because this is from their Nutritive line, which is basically their serum to like fix damaged hair and like split ends and that kind of stuff. So I find that these 2 oils are like literally the best to scrunch out the cast. They're both a little bit on the pricier side, but I think you kind of have to splurge on nicer hair oils. So yeah, today I'm just gonna use the Olaplex. So I'm just gonna take literally a tiny amount of this, like literally not a lot. Rub it between my fingers and then like gently scrunch out the cast. I like to do scrunching motions as well, just to make sure that everything is holding onto its shape and it's not frizzing from me like touching it a lot. And then the last thing that I like doing is give my head a quick shake, because I love some volume. And then I have a pick, and I like just picking from the roots of my hair to like fuzz it out a bit to make it like even bigger and even more voluminous. But just don't overdo this because it might just make your hair frizzy if you do it too much. But I do love the big volume, especially when my hair is this short. I feel like it just gives me a lot more character. My partner says that I look very foxy whenever I have my hair like this, and that's a term I fucking hate. Like, that just gives me the ick, because I don't know why, like, it just reminds me of boomers, and I'm literally 25 and he's in his 20s too. So why are you using boomer terminology? I feel like this side is fluffier than this side. I feel like this needs a little bit more tweaking. It might be because this kind of feels a little bit less dry than this. A little bit from the back, fluffing it out. Okay, I like it like this now. I feel like it's uneven still though, but okay, I'm not gonna mess with it anymore so that I don't ruin it. But yeah, this is how I refresh my curls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any recommendations to curly hair products, please let me know in the comment section down below. As always, I'm on all social media channels with the same handle, heya.itsmar. I'm very active on TikTok and Instagram, so shoot me a follow over there if you don't already. And make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.